So let's get started. First, open Google and search for Change All UI Fonts extension. Then open the link from the Chrome Web Store. Now click on Get, then Allow, and then Add Extension. After that, make sure to pin the extension to the top bar so you can access it easily. Next, click on the extension icon, and it will open its settings window. Here you will see a box where you need to type the font name you want. You can find font names in your system fonts or from the internet. Now I will try a few fonts as an example, like Roboto, Times New Roman, and others. Just paste the font name in the box, click Save, and then refresh the page. And as you can see, the website font has been changed successfully.